Hello friends, today we're going to be talking about a new topic, division, and we're going to be dividing whole numbers. Our first lesson is lesson 5.1. We're now in topic 5. And that's where we'll be finding our practice in. So, patterns in division. Before we learn how to completely divide, we're going to learn how to find some patterns. So, let's talk about what division is. So the definition of the word division is taking a large group and dividing it into smaller groups. And dividing it into smaller groups. Okay, now, if I have this division problem, 1,500 divided by 3, this right here is called the dividend. This right here is called the divisor. And the answer is called the quotient. This is asking how many times does 3 go into 1,500? Okay, I can also write it like this. $1,500 divided by 3 is 500 would be my answer. So I always put the dividend inside. I put the divisor outside. And the quotient goes on top. Okay, so now that we have the basic vocabulary for division, I'm going to show you how to find some patterns. Now, if I have, let's see, I'm actually going to draw a line here. If I have If I have 18,000 divided by 90, I know that I'm going to find some patterns. All right, so we're going to find the answer to each of these. So 180 divided by 90 is 18 tens divided by 9 tens. That actually is 2. So the tens cancel each other out, 18 divided by 9, and that would be 2. If I added a 0 here, I'm going to add a 0 here, so that's 20. If I add a 0 here, I'm going to add a 0 here, so that is 200. So that is just one way that you can do it. Another way that we could do it would be asking yourself, $1,000, 18,000 divided by 90 equals what? I can say 90 times what equals 18,000. So I'm going to do some patterns over here. 90 times 2, because I know 9 and 2 make 18, so let's see how many zeros we need. That would be 180. 90 times 20 would be 1,800, and 90 times 200 would be 18,000. So our answer here would be 200. Let me actually zoom out just a tad so you can see that better. So this was, I said, because I zoomed out, it's 18,000 divided by 90 equals what? I can rewrite it to be 90 times what equals 18,000. I know that 9 times something equals 18. I know that's 2, so I'm going to start down here. 90 times 2 is 180. 90 times 20, so I had a 0 here and a 0 here, is 1800. 90 times 200 would equal our 18,000.